Hello students, welcome to my channel. Ajir class tut ami eta notun topic pohim hetu hoise crop domestication. Ei topic to duta part ot study kora hobo part 1 and part 2 and ajir class tot ami part 1 ot focus korim. So let's begin. Domestication মানে কি? Domestication is the process of bringing wild species under human management. So যেতিয়াই কিবা এটা wild species of human management বা controller under অনা হয় সেই process to কোৱা হয় domestication বুলি. The present day cultivated plants have been derived from wild weedy species. So বৰ্তমান যিখিনি cultivated plants আছে সেইবিলাক ক'ৰ পৰা origin হৈছিলে? They originated from some wild and weedy species. The first step in the development of cultivated plants was their domestication. Cultivated plants bilakor developmentor prothom step to hoise domestication. Under domestication, the crop species have changed considerably as compared to the wild species from which they originated. So domestication process or under crop species bilak বহুত চেঞ্জ হৈছে as compared to the wild species jor pra hihote origin hoisile. The change is often so great that they are classified as distinct species. Aru a cultivated crop species aru hihotor wild parental species or major differences pur imane besi je cultivated species khinik distinct species hisabe classify kora hoise. As a result, in many cases, the parental wild species of the cultivated plants are not definitely known. গতিকে কি হৈছে সেই ডিফাৰেন্সেছ খিনিৰ কাৰণে কিছুমান কাল্টিভেটেড প্লান্টছৰ পেৰেণ্টেল ৱাইল্ড স্পিচিছ বিলাকৰ বিষয়ে এতিয়াও বহুতে নাজানে This great difference between cultivated plants and their wild relatives was brought about by selection by man as well as nature. A difference খিনি কিয় হল as a result of selection process. Okay, and selection to কাৰ দ্বাৰা হয় by nature, prokriti and by man, মানুহৰ দ্বাৰা. The domesticated species were selected for characteristics entirely different from those for which the wild species were selected in nature. Wild species bilakok nature select kore and domesticated species bilakok manuhe select kore. So duitare selection criteria ki hobo completely beleg hobo. Therefore, the two groups of plants developed in two different and often opposite directions. Jehetu hetor selection criteria beleg gotike এই দুইটা plants group of plants completely কি হৈছে they developed in two opposite directions. Okay, now see natural and artificial selection under domestication. The precise sequence of events in evolution of crop plants under domestication is not known. It a domestication process or under jibila crop plants or evolution hoise hihotor exact sequence to kuneo kobo nware. But it may be generalized that in the early stages a considerable variability existed in the domesticated species. Kintu etu generalize kora hoy je domesticated jibilak species thake হেবিলাকৰ অৰিজিনালি মানে হিহঁতৰ ডমেষ্টিকেশন প্ৰসেসটো আৰম্ভ হোৱাৰ সময়তে কিছুমান ভেৰিয়েবিলিটি হিহঁতৰ মাজত থাকে আৰু নিউ ভেৰিয়েবিলিটি অ্যাৰোজ ফ্ৰম হাইব্ৰিডাইজেশন followed by recombination and from mutation আৰু নতুন কিছুমান ভেৰিয়েশনস বা ভেৰিয়েবিলিটি ডেভেলপ কৰা হয় through the process of hybridization, recombination, mutation, etc. The extent and manner of selection exerted by man on the domesticated species is not known. Eta domesticated species খিনিৰ ওপৰত মানুহে কিমান এক্সটেন্টৰ লকে বা কি মেনাৰত সিলেকশন মানে এক্সাৰ্ট কৰে হেতু কোনো নাজানে Selection may be described as a phenomenon of some genotypes from a population leaving behind more progeny than others. The genotypes that produce more progeny are selected. Eta ki hoy selection hoise eta process jar dara eta populationot কিছুমান জিনোটাইপছে বেলেগ জিনোটাইপছতকে অলপ বেছি প্ৰজেনি প্ৰডিউস কৰিব right so jibilak genotypes বেছি প্ৰজেনি প্ৰডিউস কৰিব হেবিলাকক select কৰিব and this process is known as selection in nature there is a continuous selection by natural forces like temperature soil weather pest diseases etc nature selection force bilak kunbur temperature soil weather pest disease etc as a result the genotypes more suited to a given environment leave behind more progeny than the less adapted one and this process is known as natural selection selection ki hobo hebilak genotypes jun bilake a natural forces bilakok adapt kori lobo pare okay ba survive koribo pare hebilake they are the selected ones are jibilake adaptation koribo noarile they are discarded and this process of selection by the nature is known as natural selection The artificial selection or selection by man, artificial selection মানে কি হৈছে selection by man, on the other hand often permits only the selected plants to reproduce. So artificial selection ত কি হ'ব মানুহে হেবিলাক plant select কৰিব যিবিলাকৰ desirable characteristics আছে আৰু অকল হিহঁতৰ মাজতহে reproduce কৰাব. The progeny from the remaining plants are generally discarded, and বাকি যিবিলাক plants of desirable characters নাই হিহঁতৰ যিবিলাক progeny develop হ'ব হেবিলাক মানুহে কি কৰে discard কৰি দিয়ে. গতিকে the natural selection retains considerable variability in the species while artificial selection progressively reduces this variability. গতিকে ক'ব পাৰি and আমি দেখিছো যে natural selectionৰ দ্বাৰা variationটো বেছি produce হয় as compared to the artificial selection. Artificial and natural selections have led to several distinct changes in the characteristics of domesticated species. And এই দুই ধৰণৰ selections artificially হওক naturally হওক ইহঁতে domesticated species বিলাকৰ ওপৰত কি হয় কিছুমান distinct changes develop কৰিছে. Okay students, so আজিৰ ক্লাছত আমি ইমানখিনি ষ্টাডি কৰিলোঁ. নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি ক্ৰপ ডমেষ্টিকেশ্যনৰ ছেকেণ্ড পাৰ্টটো পঢ়িম. এণ্ড আনটিল দেন গুড লাক এণ্ড থেংক ইউ ভেৰি মাছ.